Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. How to become a great communicator. The first thing is all about persuasion. Harnessing the male side of communication. Being straightforward. Wanting something. You must have a desire, a wish that you want to fulfill. And that gives a reason to overcome all the fears, all the hesitations, all the doubts that one might have in their head about asking something. Most of the time, why we are not communicating our selfish desires, because we think they are selfish, yes? Because we think we are not enough. We think we are not brave. But actually, it's all made up in our head. We have made a construct of our own self-image, of who we are and what we think who we are. So, our fears that are made in the head and sometimes locked into the body are holding us back. But when we learn, we can have anything that we desire, that we ask for. Some people learn about manifestation, ask from the universe. But I say, take the concrete steps and ask from the people. They are your universe. Oh, please, God, help me. I need help. Fuck off. You go like, hey you, I got this thing going on. Do you have any solution for that? Or, hey you, I got this thing. Do you want to cooperate? It's being straightforward, concrete, and able to come and approach another person to express that is going on inside you. Oh, I feel like drowning at the moment. Oh, I feel such joy. I have this idea. Oh, someone gonna steal my idea. No, in the beginning, the idea is a free source. Like the ancient Greeks told, the concept of a genie, from where our egoistical Western society has taken the word genius. No fucking person is not a genius. They are just open for listening and open for asking. So genie was a spirit that dwelled around the deserts, around the forests, and some random person could encounter the genie and have a great insight into something and a great idea. So idea is a freeware that can be shared and that pop up in several hundreds or thousands people at the same time. Your idea is not unique, but your personality to accomplish the idea is unique. Remember that. So the second thing is all about asking. And you know that it's all about approaching a person, being persuasive. Hey, I have got this thing going on. And then your turn is to ask, hey, I have this thing going on. Would you like to join? Hey, Have you ever thought about if your life was easier? If you know how to explain your deepest secrets to anyone, that you will not have a burden in your heart. Hey, did you know how you could communicate your business that you will make a 100,000 euros in a month? So the asking is all about making an offer, because you have chosen someone to whom you are going to give your attention. Asking is actually making an offer. Hey, lend me 100 grand. It's an offer because you decided that someone is so special that he or she could lend you some money. Yes, it sounds crazy, but it's true that we choose from whom we ask something. And we have reasons why we choose them, why we are making them an offer. And also, yes, lend me a 100 grand is an offer because you're offering someone to make action. Take this action and change someone's life for better. Why not? Why that person should refuse of helping someone? Being selfish is a sin, they say in the Bible. Maybe. Yes. But asking is also opening up. You are opening up about your own need. Yes, you are making an offer, but you are showing the fragility from which part of your own being you are fragile at the moment, and you are able to open up. So this could relate to this, please God help me, but people are those that are going to help you. Yes, being fragile, we are ready to showcase our tender parts. That will be hit with an axe with a no. No, don't worry about getting a no. Asking is a skill, and you get better doing it more and more indeed. So the third aspect is getting disqualified, getting the answer no, because refusal takes you into a perfection. I can ask as many times as I want. Other person can refuse only certain amount of times, and I am able to hone, I am able to polish my offer. Eventually my offer gets as good as it can be, that other person cannot refuse anymore, but is forced to say yes. And here comes into the game your head, your mindset. Oh, I should not bother that person that much. I should not be asking all the time. It's rude to ask something for myself. No, it's never rude. The asking is the greatest superpower a person can have. And getting an answer a no is a way to unleash your superpower, to form it, to shape it, to bake it. And from therefore, you learn the art of communication, the art of persuasive communication, that you can ask anything you need, you want in your life. And of course, when you make an offer, you are going to take the action. When you have been given something by your hard work of coming over those mental obstacles, you are going to pay the price. You are going to do the hard work because you are fathomlessly ready. You have attained the superpower of doing something hard. Then the thing that has been given to you is not hard anymore, but that's your resource to accomplish a great goal that you have in your mind. So I hope you are able to implement those 3 things. Being persuasive. Hey you, what's up? Here I am. And second, asking, can you give me something? Can you give me your desire of greatness? And the third thing, getting an answer. No, I shall not give you my attention. Oh no. And then you ask again, please help me. No, I shall not help you. And then you ask, can you help me? By helping me, you will become great and rich. Oh, of course, I shall help you. So, train. Don't give up. Focus on your mindset and you will become great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and check down in the description the exercises for the vocal, for the speaking, for singing, that before each speech that you give, your voice shall be strong.